Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how you can automatically create Win32 application and import it in Intune with IMP. So go to our site uoncloud.com/IMP and download latest installer from the link over here. Here you can sign up for the trial license key. Here's more information about IMP as well as which features are supported in ConfigMgr or Intune. Alright, let me install IMP. You can see that my version is not activated. Like I mentioned, register on our site and you'll receive a license key. You have to copy this file into the installation directory of IMP folder. All you have to do now is create and register the application in Azure. I already created application up front and I configured it with following settings. You'll need to create localhost pointing to redirect URI as well as add additional mobile and desktop application. You'll need to set some API permissions through Graph API and you'll receive all of that information together with the license key. And you'll have to copy this application client ID into the IMP configuration file. Here's installation directory, here's configuration file, and you have to copy this URL in over here. Alright, let me import Win32 application. I'll click connect to my registered app. It will ask me for credentials. It will indicate that I'm successfully connected. Now I can browse to MSI or exe file. For example, I can show you that currently I don't have any Win32 application created here. Like I said, IMP automatically converts any application into the Win32 app. I'm going to specify publisher, which is a mandatory, as well as description. I can set any other settings if I wish. I'm going to choose command line going to be QB, as well as uninstall command going to be QB. I can set some behavior as well for my application. I can publish application automatically to any group, either available or required. In my case, I'm going to choose available. Now I'll have to set some requirements. For example, architecture, which is a mandatory field. I'm going to choose 64-bit. I'm going to select OS 1809. Disk space, probably going to be just a 20 meg. I can set some requirements. For example, I can choose default location that I want to look for example, temp, which would be file 7zip.exe. I can set different requirements as well on detection method settings. In my case, I'm going to choose file and folder exists. Now I can set detection rules as well. For example, I'm going to choose just a regular product code, but I can choose as well as file, registry, or script. If I choose script, then I would need to upload the script. Like I said, I'm going to choose just the regular product code and I'm going to set that version should be 1.0. Before I click import, I'm going to show you that I don't have anything in Azure. So here's my Intune's client applications, refresh, and I don't have 7zip yet. Alright, let me create import. Like I said, it automatically converts any application into the Win32 application. You can see over here in my location where I chose MSI file, it automatically configured Intune's Win file. Application successfully created and imported in Intune. Then refresh this. Here's my 7zip. And you can see it automatically is published and assigned Win32 application. Let me select properties and show you a couple settings that we chose. For example, publisher, view on cloud, description, just an app, command lines, as well as operating system, additional requirements, which would be just a regular etc file temp, as well as the detection rules, which would be manually configured. And I can see that application is automatically published to group that I've selected. Alright, if you like that, go to our site, download latest version, and request a trial. Thanks.